Let's make her fly up high. Higher, higher. Mom, can I go outside and play with them?
Of course, Luna. You can go and play nicely.
Hello, can I play with you? Yes, let's play. Wow! I want this. Wow! I want this. Oh no! My doll! Luna, you are so naughty. I don't want to play with you anymore.
I didn't mean to.
Hey. Wait, I just want to play. It's so boring. Not fun at all. Play with me, Ga. No, Luna. You will break my doll again. I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry. Who cares? Am I a bad kid? I'll go home then. Stupid door! So annoying. I hate you guys. Everything is so annoying. Nobody loves me. I don't need it.
What's going on, sweetheart?
I'm always grumpy and angry, and nobody loves me.
Oh, Luna. Even if you're grumpy, I will always love you no matter what happens. If I were a gray bear, would you still love me?
But if I turned into a bug, would you still love me and hold me in your arms?
Of course I would. But I could just hold you in my hands.
But what if I were a crocodile?
I would hold you tight and long and lull you to sleep every night.
What if your love is faded? Can it be broken? Can you fix it? Will it stay forever?
Oh, sweetheart, I'm not that powerful. I only know that I will love you for a long, long time. Forever.
But when we disappear, will you still love me? Will your love last forever?
Look at those stars, Luna. My love for you is like their light. It will never go out. All right, let's clean together, Luna.
Sure, Mom.
Here you go, Luna. You can have some cookies and juice.
Yay! Thank you, Mom.
Luna, remember to apologize to them.
Sure, I will, Mom. Hi, it's me.
Yes. What do you want?
Sorry about your doll. You can have mine. It's okay. Don't be naughty next time. Hi, Luna. come and play with us. Yay! I'm coming! Let's play together. Yes! Let's play!
Bye, everyone. See you next time. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.